Okay, so moving on to question 2. First of all, we need to enter the new functions. If you're going to do calc intersect like we just said, we are going to go into y is equal to, so again, and we're going to either clear out, or we could leave the ones like, let's say we needed these functions later on, right? You could leave them in and then do y3 and y4. So just to experiment, let's do that. So I'm going to pause the video, put in y3 and y4, the left and the right hand side of question 2. So now that I've entered both of those two functions in the left and from the left and the right hand side of question number 2, I have now 4 functions, and it would be really confusing to have all 4 functions showing when I'm graphing them. So I'm going to use the arrow up key and highlight y1. And if you notice, let's see if I can get this to work again here. If you notice where it says F4, there's a check mark, you can deactivate. So once the check mark is gone, that function will not show when it's graphing. I'm using the arrow down key again and deactivating function 2. Oh, I'm clicking in the wrong spot there. Function 2. So right now, currently, the only 2 active functions are y3 and y4. So the F4 function deactivates. Then we're going to graph. Again, graphing is above the F3 button. Does the function fit? Yes, it does. Then we do calc intersect just like we did before. So I'm going to pause the video and have you try that. Okay, so I found the intersections for both of them. I got -3, 2 and 1, 2. So that means the solution set for this particular one is x such that x is equal to -3 and 1.